split ahead. Vedanta in execution phrase for Demerger after NCLT note by metal stock before Q3 RS 700 TP. Vedanta Ltd has entered the execution phase of its transformation Demerger, which will split its one stock into 5 different entities. Vedanta will continue to be the parent company. However, the shares will also be split to Vedanta Aluminium, Vedanta Oil and Gas, Vedanta Power, and Vedanta Iron and Steel. To be eligible, shareholder will need to hold Vedanta stock as of the record date, which will be announced in due course. Developments related to the Demerger can be expected in the Q3 result, which will be announced either in late January or February. How will the Vedanta perform in its Q3 result for financial year 2026, and should you buy Vedanta stock ahead of Q3? Let's find out. After the closing bell of January 9, Vedanta stock stood at res 609.90 apiece on BSE, up by 1.05%, which market cap of res 2,38,494.57 crore. However, its weekly performance was volatile, which led to a decline of over 1%. Despite this, the stock is trading close to the 52-week high of 629.90. During the trading week from January 5th to 9th, Vedanta clarified a new report that claimed that Delhi High Court has agreed to examine Gupta's refusal to extend Vedanta contracts. Apart from this is good news, and it emerged as the National Company Law Tribunal Mumbai bench approved its demerger scheme that include Talwandi Sabo Power Limited and other group entities. This is a step closer to Vedanta restructuring of the businesses to unlock maximum value. Vedanta clarification on Delhi HC order. A new report stated that Delhi HC has agreed to examine the government refusal to extend Vedanta contracts. In September 2025, Vedanta received an intimation from the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas regarding application for extension of production sharing contracts of Block CBOS/2. That time, Vedanta said it was intimated to us that the application for extension has not been accepted. We had also informed us that we were engaging with authorities and were evaluating all resources available to us to resolve the same. According to Vedanta, clarified that the right had been filed before the Honorable Delhi High Court challenging the decision of the government of January 6, 2026. The Honorable Delhi High Court has issued notice to Government of India and other respondents requiring them to file a reply. The court has further directed the parties to the minimum status quo, and Vedanta reiterated that it will continue to comply with SEBI listening regulation and keep the stock exchange duly information of daily information of all material information event. Vedanta Talwandi Sabo Power Demerger. NCLT Mumbai has given a green signal to Vedanta for demerger of Talwandi Sabo Power Limited and others group entities. Vedanta's scheme of demerger include various subsidiaries such as Talwandi Sabo Power, Vedanta Aluminium Metal Limited, Moloko Energy, and Vedanta Iron and Steel from the parents. In case of Talwandi, it will take overall assist the and liabilities of the merchant power undertaking, which is supported by 100% secured creditor and 99.99% unsecured creditor approval. Vedant Demerger, as per the regulatory filing this week, Vedant said it a landmark decision the Mumbai bench of the NCLT has approved the company's demerger into independent pure play companies marking a key milestone in Vedant transformation into the focus sector leading and companies. Is this it said the Vedant now event the execution phase of the transformational demerger leading to five separate listed companies. According to the Vedant, its entirety will have a clear strategy, the mandate, focus, leadership, terms, and the dedicated capital structure. Also, this transition is expected to the strengthen and Vedant ability to grow as focus businesses while the creating long-term value aligns with the repeatedly growing global and Indian demand. That's being said, one Vedant will become Vedant Aluminium, Vedant Oil and Gas, Vedant Power, Vedant Iron and Steel, Vedant Ltd, which will continue as parent company of Hindustan Zinc. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो वेदांत Q3 का रिजल्ट प्रीव्यू करा है वेदांत is yet to the declare it is a Q3 result that however analysis predicted that the third quarter will be strong for the company. Analysts at the Image Global said, we expected VEDL to report strongest Q3 financial year 2026 result with the EBITDA of Rs 149.4 billion, up 28.7% QOQ and the 32.4% YOY. The improved performance is likely to be driven by a sequentially strong performance in the company's aluminum segment and the continued robust performance from Zinc India, with the EBITDA generation of Rs 49.2 billion and Rs 44.1 billion, respectively driven by higher average aluminum, zinc, and the silver price in Q3 financial year 2026, up 8.1%, 11.7%, 40.3% QOQ.